Ever wondered why a spatula is called a spatula, or why we say whisk instead of stir rapidly? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of kitchen vocabulary. Let's start with the heart of the kitchen, the stove. It's where the magic happens, where raw ingredients transform into delectable dishes. The stove, also known as a range, is a versatile piece of equipment for cooking food in pots and pans. Speaking of pots and pans, they're essential tools in any kitchen. A pot, typically deeper than it is wide, is perfect for simmering soups or boiling pasta. Pans, on the other hand, are shallow and broad, ideal for sautéing vegetables or frying eggs. Ever heard of a colander? It's that bowl with holes you use to drain the water from your freshly cooked pasta. It's a handy tool, saving you the trouble of trying to keep the pasta in the pot while tipping out the boiling water. Now, onto the utensils, the small tools that make a big difference in cooking. The spatula, a flat, flexible blade, is perfect for flipping pancakes or scraping the last bits of batter from a bowl. A whisk, with its many looping tines, is your best friend for beating eggs or whipping cream. Of course, there's the humble knife, a chef's most trusted tool. From the razor-sharp chef's knife for chopping to the serrated bread knife for slicing loaves, each type of knife has a specific role in the kitchen. We also have the rolling pin, a cylindrical tool you use to flatten dough for pies or cookies. And let's not forget the grater, a tool with sharp edge perforations, perfect for shredding cheese or zesting citrus. Then there's the oven mitt, a thick protective glove that keeps your hands safe when handling hot pots and pans. And the apron, a wearable shield, protects your clothes from splashes and spills. Finally, we have the ingredients, the stars of the show. From aromatic herbs and spices to fresh produce and protein, these are what make each dish unique and flavorful. To recap, today we've explored the language of the kitchen. We've talked about the stove, where food is cooked, pots and pans, the essential tools for simmering and sautéing, and the colander for draining pasta. We've delved into utensils like the spatula, whisk, and various types of knives. We've also touched on the rolling pin, grater, oven mitt, and apron. And finally, we've highlighted the importance of ingredients in cooking. Remember, a well-equipped kitchen and a good understanding of these terms can make your culinary journey much smoother. So, next time you pick up a spatula or whisk an egg, you'll know you're not just cooking, but also speaking the language of the kitchen.